Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to navigate the Salesforce platform and get familiar with the user interface. Once you log into your Salesforce, this is what you're going to be seeing. At the top right is the app launcher where all apps provided by Salesforce sit. So when you click on these 9 dots, it shows you all the app that you have in your Salesforce platform. I'm going to be viewing all, and these are all the apps that Salesforce has provided, but the commonly used is the sales app. So let's get to the sales app and then I will show you how to navigate the user interface. This page you're seeing is called the user interface. This is the whole entity of the sales app from the user end, and this is my home page. This homepage contains few dashboards and little workflows, screen flows that I have pre-built for testing and then just to organize my homepage or customize my homepage to the way I want it to look like. Here we have the app navigation items. All these items that I'm scrolling past are objects, but with time we get to know what these objects serve. So as not to confuse you, this more here just means the items that couldn't sit on the app navigation bar, and then you can actually move it around by going to the pen-like icon to personalize your items or the objects that appear on your screen according to your usage. So the most frequently used ones can be moved to the top, and then you can add more items which you need to sit on your user interface. You can search up for any item you need to see on the search bar, and that is all for this. This search bar at the top helps you to find your records quickly, and you can filter your search by clicking on the search all drop down to personalize your search depending on what objects you want to find the record in. Objects can be found here, or records can be found here through values that are sitting in the field that is existing. Here we have the favorite. To personalize your favorite, when you want to personalize, for an example, an opportunity, you have to go to the opportunity and then use the star button to personalize or make it a favorite page. You have the list of your favorites on the drop down when you have already starred most items here. This plus button is just a global action button that helps you quickly launch your global actions like creating tags, events, and whatever you want to do. And then we have the guidance center where you can just read through, and then we have the help button where you can also find the Salesforce community or the best practices or the latest release of Salesforce. The next one is the gear item, which is the setup. This is the home of all configuration that happens at the back end. This setup is majorly for admins and not end users. And then we have the notification bar, and then we have the mascot, which is your profile control, where you can log in and log out and switch your settings or personalize your settings as a user.